tonight. This is a late night video, and I am going to eliminate a lot of this junk. As you can tell, nothing is in its place. Everything is just thrown in there, and we need to do better. I have me some nice old bins, and we are going to find everything that's in here a place to call home. Keep watching. All right, so the goal is to find everything a place that's in this little closet bathroom area that I have. So I want to focus on putting things separate, and I went out and bought these storage bins from TJ Maxx. Also got some from the Dollar Tree, like these jars right here. I also have 2 more, and I also have this wallpaper. And the reason, because okay, so look, the tissue is even down there, and it's supposed to be in here, but so I'm thinking about putting the wallpaper maybe right here, because it seems like every time I'm going to clean this up, I'm going to wipe it up really good with some hot soap and water. But yeah, the goal is to put down some wallpaper, because it seems like when I put heavy things down, it messes up the wall. It scars it up really bad. So maybe if I put down the wallpaper, it will give it a little bit more elegant look, and also it won't keep having these black marks. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna also get rid of some items that I no longer use in here, and just make it really neat and controlled. I know that things cannot be organized all the time, but hey, you got to start from somewhere, and somewhere is going to start today. We have these storage bins, and I'm gonna separate like the shampoos, the deodorants, the towels, things that I use daily, things I use weekly. So just small adjustments so it could be looking a little bit more organized. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking things out of here. Like, this earring is so old. I don't know why it's in here, and of course it's going to the trash. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place everything on the floor. The floor is already dirty. I didn't want to sweep it up or nothing, because I knew I was gonna be decluttering this spot. But yeah, I'm gonna start taking everything out and just putting it on the floor for now. All right, everything is clear out, and it's looking better already. I have taken a magic eraser and like really did a good scrub down on like those stains that was there at first, and it really did a good job. So this magic eraser works magic. Comment down below if you use these when you're cleaning up your house. We're gonna go ahead and divide everything up to its new home. use this little white stuff. It's that paint that came out of the linen closet. But here we have my little feminine products, shampoos, conditioners, hair dyes, gloves, and this one that I probably use like once a week or once a month. Depends, because hair dyes I might use like every 2-3 months. It just depends if I don't get it colored by the salon. And this little container right here is my travel size lotions and bath washes, etc. Right here I have my mouthwashes, alcohol, stuff that I use on a regular basis, my razors and stuff. And then I have my hair gels with my lotions and body oils in those little bins. So it looks a lot better now that I have everything in its home. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the items up in the linen closet. From top to bottom in this linen closet, everything has a place to call home now. I went with the color scheme black, gray, and white, and it tied in together very well. It is aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Guys, this is the look. I ended up putting in these jars the cotton balls, some candle lights back there, and also Q-tips back there. The items that I use on a weekly basis. And down below is the bins where I put the towels. Also had a little glam. Had to put a little glam decor right there. It wouldn't be me if I didn't do so. And down below I have my washcloths. I hope you guys can see. Let me turn up the lighting. The washcloth bin, and I decorated that with a little greenery. And in the bag is my bath bombs, and also this really cute signage that I picked up from Michael's. I like the sayings on it. I thought it was really cute and also tie in with everything. And then down below you will see my little spa kit, which is a great reminder for like Sundays to really relax. Everything is reachable. Only thing I have to do is take out the caddy and the candles. And down below are the face masks as well as bubble baths, and also items that I would use in the bathtub while I'm there, like body washes and bath scrubbers, nail kits outside of the bathtub, of course. I could just pick up, grab the bin out, use whatever, and put it right on back. So yeah guys, this is the overlook of how everything is looking now in the linen closet, and I think I really did a good job. Comment down below if you are a fan of this. But yeah, I think it's overall aesthetically pleasing and very functional, and it's not messy anymore, which was the main goal. So yeah, until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.